Hello students, welcome you all to the video lecture on chapter number 5, squares and square roots, exercise 5.2, problem number 1. Question is, find the square of the following numbers. Okay, so the first problem is 32, right? So we need to find out the square of each and every number. So square means 32 square we have to find out. Okay, so the easy way to find out the square of the number, that is actual multiplication, but without actual multiplication, right? So either we can multiply these two terms and we can find out the square. Okay, but here we are going to do without actual multiplication. Okay, so for that what I am going to do means, first write 32 as sum of two numbers. Okay, so sum of two numbers means take your unit digit number alone, that is ones place number alone. Okay, so take your 2 separately. Okay, so what number you have to add with 2 in order to get 32? It is 30, right? So 30 plus 2 is 32. In another way I can say that this number, okay, always it should be a multiples of 10, in such that you have to write. Okay, so 32 means I have to write as 30 plus 2. For example, if it is 43, how we have to write? You have to write it as 40 plus 3. Okay, so this is the first step. So 32 I have to write it as 30 plus 2. Okay, the whole square. Why? Because they are asking to find out the square. So this is square number. So this I can split into two terms, that is 30 plus 2 into 30 plus 2. Okay, so like this I can write. Okay, so just multiply the values within the brackets, right? So 30 into 30 and again 30 into 2 I have to do, right? So 30 into 30 plus 30 into 2. Similarly 2 into 30 and then 2 into 2. So plus 2 into 30 plus 2 into 2. So 3 3s are 9 and here 1 0, here 1 0. So double 0 you have, 3 2s are 6, 1 0 you have. Again 3 2s are 6, 1 0 you have, 2 2s are 4. So just add all the numbers, 900, 60, 60 plus 4. Add all the numbers, you have 4 here, 12 plus 0, right? 6 plus 6 is 12, 12 plus 0 is 12. So 2 and carry 1, 9 plus 1, 10. Okay, so the answer is 1024. Okay, so you can do by this method. Okay, easily you can do by this method, or you have another method to solve the problem. Okay, so the same problem you can also solve by another method, that is using a plus b the whole square formula. Okay, so what is a plus b the whole square? A square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, so using this direct formula application also you can solve the problem. Okay, so I will give alternate method also here. Okay, so whichever is easy for you, you can use that method. Okay, so alternate method to solve the problem is 32 square. How I can write? 30 plus 2 the whole square. Okay, so the first step is common in both the method. Okay, so now this is a, this is b. Okay, so what is the first term? A square. A square means 30 square, right? So 30 square plus b square means 2 here, 2 square plus 2 into what is a? 30. What is b? 2. Okay, so 2ab you have written. So 30 square means 30 into 30, right? So 900. Okay, plus 2 square means 4. So 2 into 3, 6, 6 2s are 12 and then you have 1 0 here. Okay, now these three numbers you have to add. Okay, 900, 4 and then 120. Okay, here 4, here 2, here 10. Okay, so the final answer is 1024. Okay, so 32 square is 1024. Using the alternate method and the previous method, the answer is same. Okay, so whichever method is easy. Okay, here you can directly split it as 30 plus 2, 30 plus 2, just multiply and add it off. Here you have to apply the formula. Okay, so whichever method is easy for you, you can approach that method. Okay, and then the second problem is 35. Okay, so we have to find out 35 square. Okay, so 35 square can be written as 30 plus 5, right? So take your unit digit alone separately, which is 5. So 5 plus which value is 35? 5 plus 30. Okay, so now 30 plus 5, which I can written as 30 plus 5 into 30 plus 5, right? 30 plus 5, the whole square can be written as this, and then as usual. Okay, so multiply these two, right? Similarly multiply these two, right? So 30 into 30 plus 30 into 5 plus 5 into 30 plus 5 into 5. So 3 3s are 9, 00 you have, 5 3s are 15, 10 you have, again 5 3s are 15, 10 you have, 5 into 5, 25. So 900, 150, 150 and then 25. Okay, all you are going to add. So 5 plus 0 5, 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 2 12, 1 carry, 9 plus 1 10, then 10 plus 2 12. Okay, so answer is 1225. Okay, so 35 square is 1225. Okay, then third problem is 86. So 86 square we have to find out. So as usual, take your unit digit alone. So 6 plus what value is 86? It is 80, right? So this I can split it as 80 plus 6 into 80 plus 6. So again 80 into 80, 80 into 6. Similarly 6 into 80, 6 into 6. Okay. So 80 into 80 plus 80 into 6 plus 6 into 80 plus 6 into 6. 8 8s are 64. You have here 1 0, here 1 0, so double 0. 8 6 are 48 and then 1 0 you have. Again 8 6 are 48, 1 0 you have. 6 6 are 36. So 6400, 480, 480 and then 36. 6 plus 0, 6. 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 3, 19 and then 1 carry. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 1, 13. 1 carry. 6 plus 1, 7. Okay. So the final answer is 7396. Okay. So by using the first method only I am solving all the problem. So you can use the alternate method by using the formula also. And then third problem. Third problem is over, and then fourth problem is 93 square, right? So 93 square, 90 plus 3 the whole square, which I can write as 90 plus 3 into 90 plus 3, right? 2 times. So again 90 into 90, 90 into 3 and then 3 into 90, 3 into 3 I have. Okay. So 90 into 90, 90 into 3 plus 3 into 90 plus 3 into 3. 9 9s are 81. You have double 0. 9 3s are 27 and 1 0 is there. 9 3s are 27. Again 0 is there. 3 3s are 9. So 8 1 double 0. 270. Again one more 270 and then 9 you have. 9 plus 0 9. 7 plus 7 14. 1 2 2s are 2 plus 2 4. 4 plus 2 6 and then 8. Okay. So the final answer is 8649. So 93 square is 8649. Okay. And then fifth problem, 71 square. Okay. So 71 I can write it as 70 plus 1 the whole square. So 70 plus 1 into 70 plus 1, which is equal to, so 70 into 70 and 70 into 1, similarly 1 into 70 and then 1 into 1. Okay. So 70 into 70 plus 70 into 1 plus 1 into 70 plus 1 into 1. 7 7s are 49, 00 you have 70 into 1 70, 1 into 70 is 70 plus 1. So 4900, then 70, again one more 70 and then 1. Add all the numbers. So you have 1 plus 0 1, 7 plus 7 14, 1 carry, 9 plus 1 10, 1 carry, 4 plus 1 5. Okay. So 5041. So 71 square is 5041. Okay. Then at last, sixth problem, 46 square, which I can write as, separate your unit digit 6. So 40 plus 6 is 46 the whole square. So 40 plus 6 into 40 plus 6, 40 into 40 and then 40 into 6. Similarly 6 into 40, 6 into 6. So 40 into 40 plus 40 into 6 plus 6 into 40 plus 6 into 6. 4 4s are 16, 00 you have, 4 6 are 24, 1 0 is there, 6 4s are 24, again 0 is there, 6 6 are 36. Okay. So 1600, 240, 240 plus 36, all the values you have to add. 6 plus 0 6, 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 3 11, 1 carry, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 1 11, again 1 carry, then 2. Okay. So 46 square is 2116. Okay. So this is the final answer. Thank you. Thanks for watching.